Hi class 10, let's continue the chapter. So far we've done use of base, isn't it? So today we'll start. Our topic is strength of acid and base. So how strong is your acid and how strong is your base? So today we'll discuss, and this is given by pH scale. And see this one, this should be capital letter, P should be, and H should be small letter, right? No, P should be small letter, H should be capital letter. Okay, so whenever you write pH scale, then this first letter should be small letter and this is your first, remember this one. Okay, so by the topic you understood the what we are going to study. Okay, see how strong is your acid and how strong is your base is given by pH scale. Okay, so we know that if I have water and if I uh, ionize this, we'll get hydrogen ion and hydroxide, isn't it? Yes sir. These are the two dissociation of water, isn't it? Or it breaks into two component called hydrogen ion and OH. If this is there, then that is your acid and this is your base, isn't it? Right. So there is in 1909 the revolution of science, okay, or the modern science came in 1909. Okay, so one scientist was there, Sorson. Okay, and he just make the numbering. Okay, so up to see in your book also you'll get, isn't it? So your pH scale start from 0 and somewhere at the middle you have 7 and it ends at 14. Okay, clear? So this is the pH scale. So many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are the scale, isn't it? So they start from 0 and ends at 14. Okay, so this is your pH scale. So at 7, that is your neutral. Okay, your compound is your neutral. Okay, clear? And this side you'll get base and this side you'll get acid, clear? So if the pH scale is 7, then that compound or that mixture is your neutral, and below 7 you'll get acidic, and above 7 you'll get basic. Okay, clear? So now let's define the pH scale. Okay, so write down the strength of an acid or base is the strength of an acid and base is measured on a scale of number. Okay, on a scale of a number called the pH scale, clear? So the pH scale has value from 0 to 14, clear? So on what basis this pH scale is discovered is, write down the pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion जति बढ्छ concentration of hydrogen ion, if hydrogen ion बढ्छ त के हुन्छ basic, inversely, isn't it? घट्छ त के हुन्छ acidic, clear? So inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion. Okay, in it. So hope you understood. pH scale is just a scale which contains 0 to 7 number. It's a number, isn't it? And see, this is around this you have weak acid, and around this you have strong acid, and around this you have weak base, and around there you have strong base. Okay, so in your book also it is there. Okay, so turn page number whatever is there, so once go through. Okay, so this is what your this is what your pH scale. Okay, so next topic is your universal and one thing, this neutral is your water. Okay, example, just give water. Water is your neutral. Okay, so next one is your universal indicator. Okay, see what is this. This is you'll get round. Okay, and paper is there. Okay, so colorful paper. Okay, and you know that litmus is also a indicator, isn't it? So whenever you dip litmus in acid, you'll get acid, isn't it? And whenever you dip blue litmus, you'll get base, isn't it? You know that one, isn't it? So but they won't tell you that how strong is the base and how strong is the acid. Okay, so to get how strong, whether it is weak acid, whether it is strong acid. Okay, to get that one we use universal. Okay, otherwise that litmus just give us the, it tells us that whether a solution is acid or base. Okay, but they won't tell that how strong and how weak acid is, and how strong, how weak your base is. Okay, so universal write down universal indicator is a mixture of many color. Okay, mixture of many different color, or you can write indicator. So which gives different color, which gives different color at different pH. Okay, at different pH. So this gives how strong, isn't it? The base is how strong, the acid is how weak. Okay, pH values of the entire pH scale. Just litmus paper just gives us the information about the solution, whether it is acid or base, but the universal indicator gives, if you pour the in same your solution, then it will give how strong the acid is, how strong the base is. So you have in your book also you have this type of stripe, and we have so many color. Okay, so 7 you have green. Okay, this should be green. 7 is your neutral. Okay, so green colors are okay. In your book also just have a look. Okay, so this is your indicator, universal indicator. Clear? So water produce green whenever universal uh, indicator you put in the water. So next we have application of this scale. Okay, pH. Okay, so write down, or you can write application, or you can write importance of pH in our day-to-day life. Clear? So write down. Next we have importance of pH in our everyday life. So importance, so write down importance of pH in everyday life, or you can just write application. Okay, everyday life. So first importance of pH is your write down pH in our digestive system. Okay, pH pH in our digestive system. See, you know that stomach contains hydrochloric acid, isn't it? So dilute hydrochloric acid especially, and it helps to digest the food, isn't it? So if excess acid is there in your stomach, okay, what happens in digestion? मतलब gas हुन्छ, okay, you'll suffer from gastric. Okay, at that time what you'll do, you have to have one tablet called antacid, which react with the excess of acid and neutralize, isn't it? So your stomach is there, isn't it? So there you have hydrochloric acid dilute. Okay, if you sometime you'll get gas, isn't it? Why this happens? Because this increases in your stomach. Okay, so that's why hydrochloric acid increases, so gas forms. Okay, so to neutralize this we have to add some base, isn't it? So base is your antacid. Okay, tablet लिन्छ तिम्रो antacid भन्छ, antacid, clear? So antacid हालेपछि के हुन्छ, यो neutralize हुन्छ, isn't it? So HCl plus one antacid is your magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium hydroxide, this is a base, isn't it? So it will give salt, isn't it, plus water, so neutralization reaction हुन्छ. So this is the one in your pH. So if pH down in your stomach, down pH डाउन हुन्छ भने एसिड बेसी भएपछि pH डाउन भयो भने के हुन्छ, तिमीलाई के हुन्छ, ग्यास हुन्छ. सो pH अफ गर्नलाई के लिनुपर्छ, एन्टासिड लिनुपर्छ. क्लियर? सल्युसन. So the excess acid in stomach can causes indigestion. That means it affect the digestion. Okay, or it produce gas. So pH down, isn't it? Yes or no? So to bring basic antacid react with stomach, isn't it? So pH down, then you have to increase your pH. Clear? So next we have second you have pH as causing tooth decay. Okay, tooth decay. Second is your application of pH is your pH change as the cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay. So our mouth contains bacteria. Okay, amylase and this and that, you know in biology. Okay, so it breaks down the food and forms acid, isn't it? Mouth ma ke huncha, bacteria huncha, it breaks down the food and it forms acid, isn't it? So acid like hydrochloric acid. Okay, so it forms acid. राम्रोसँगले सुन्नु, if you understand then you will go. So tooth decay start when the pH down, isn't it? pH down भयो भने के हुन्छ, एसिडिक हुन्छ भन्दैन. So pH down भएपछि के हुन्छ, तिम्रो माउथ के हुन्छ, एसिडिक. Then below 5.5 of pH your tooth start decay. Okay, so to neutralize this again we have to use Colgate, isn't it? Colgate, like you know, isn't it? So toothpaste contains base. Okay, what it contains? It contains base like magnesium. Okay, alkaline. So you just use toothpaste, isn't it, to neutralize the pH scale. Then pH scale gives a birds. So toothpaste will help your decaying tooth. Okay. So next we have plant and animals are sensitive. Okay. Third is your plants and animals are sensitive sensitive to pH change, so if pH is down, then this is your acidic, isn't it? That environment is your acidic. If pH is up, then it is basic. So animal do not survive in this condition. Okay, pH down, pH up. So what they use to neutralize the this pH, isn't it? pH एउटा स्केल मा हुनुपर्छ. Okay, that is your neutral मा हुनुपर्छ. So first one example is your, this one is your soil pH and plant growth. Soil pH and plant growth. So if you have a soil, okay, then pH decreases, then that means this area is your acidic, isn't it? Acidic. So your plant and animals cannot survive. Okay, so to neutralize this, we have to put some base, isn't it? So pH base life cycle up, so this will neutralize. Next, animals also same, isn't it? In a pond, if you take pond, then if the pH of that pond is below 5.5, then your fish cannot survive. So that is your acidic condition. Again, if you have pH more than 10, then also your things cannot, or your living things cannot survive. Clear? So next one is very important, that is your self defense by animal and plants. Self defense by plant and animals, and plants through chemical warfare. Okay, you know this one in biology also. Okay, so just I'll give the example. Okay, they defense their enemy by releasing some chemical. Okay, first one is your ant, isn't it? Ant sting, isn't it? And it will release some acid called methanoic acid. Okay, methanoic, which is hot, isn't it? Which cause your burning pain, isn't it? So next one is your सिस्नु. सुनिकन सिस्नुले चिलेको सुनिकन, सिस्नुमा पनि के हुन्छ? मिथेनोइक एसिड हुन्छ. ओके, सो सिस्नुलाई के भन्छ इङ्ग्लिसमा, यु नो? सो आज लेख्छु सिस्नु. तिम्रो काम हो इङ्ग्लिसमा के भन्छ सिस्नुलाई? सिस्नुले चिल्छ कि चिल्दैन? चिल्छ. त्यति बेलामा के हुन्छ? स्टिङ. कुन चाहिँ एसिड पर्छ तिम्रो स्किनमा? यु विल गेट मिथेनोइक एसिड, which feel burning. So सिस्नुलाई के भन्छ? That is your homework. Okay, in English सिस्नुलाई के भन्छ? So hope you understood the topic, right? So this much for today.